Hello, good morning to everybody, and thank you for coming here. Yes, you can see here the organizers, and in the next slide, the agenda of the day. Yes, I will give you a very brief introduction to the project, and I will then pass the word to Remy for the discussion on StoffenManager. Those first, why next slide, please. Why we are here, why we have organized this webinar, what could be the benefits for participants. First of all, getting insights on state-of-the-art activities on risk governance of nanomaterials. Have practical information on how to use the models in your daily working activities and practice, and give your views and needs on how to further improve the models and design the caLIBRAte system of systems. caLIBRAte is a large research and innovation action involving more than 25 partners from Europe, US, South Africa, and Canada, with a budget of about 10 million euros. Participants include research organizations, public authorities, organizations with a role in consultancy and risk management, industrial associations. Duration is from May 2015 to the end of 2019. Oh, next slide, please. What are the challenges we are facing? Nanotechnologies are not yet mature technologies. However, the use of manufactured nanomaterials is growing, and as well, there are already products on the market. But the full exploitation of nanotechnologies is expected in the medium term. The risk analysis is still technically and methodologically limited and lacking robust sources of quantitative data, in particular databases like databases for toxicological information. And uncertainties in the safety of nanomaterials are seen by stakeholders as a major limitation to market. Third, there is a rising demand for improved governance approaches to inform and support researchers towards safe design of their products, to facilitate decision-making risk uncertainties, including developing comparative approaches between conventional materials and nanomaterials, as well as qualitative and precautionary approaches like the control banding tools we will see today. And of course, people need support to comply with regulatory frameworks. We all know that nanomaterials are already included in some of the regulatory frameworks in EU, like food, cosmetics, technical guidances in REACH, etc. And another need is to define and provide homogeneous rules for safe management of nanomaterials across players, sectors, and countries. The goal of caLIBRAte is to establish a versatile nano-risk governance framework for the assessment and management of human and environmental risks of manufactured nanomaterials and related products. The approach is collecting results from state-of-the-art research on risk governance, including risk assessment, risk management, and communication, develop and improve nano-specific models and methods into a system of systems, and we will hear about two of those models today, the StoffenManager and LICARA, and support decisions along the full research innovation value chain. The project is targeted to research organizations, companies, insurers, public authorities, other stakeholders, both involved in research and in strategies, prioritization, and management of occupational, consumer, and environmental risks. The final ambition is to develop tools for which the stakeholders have such trust, like the one that is given to existing REACH tools. So something that stakeholder could rely upon in their daily work. Therefore, overall, we want to ensure that you will develop a safe nanomaterials and nano-enabled products. We want to ensure transparent risk assessment and risk communication to relevant stakeholders, and possibly support enable transfer of risks related to nanomaterials. We are taking into account, as I was saying, the full research innovation value chain using the Cooper stage gate model. Here is a value chain. You can see after each of the steps of a value chain, you can have a go-no-go decision. And the information you have to take these decisions increase, going from ready screening to the marketing and post-launch review, and information in terms of materials, products, and safety. What we want to do in caLIBRAte is to add the risk assessment and management aspects to the stage gate decision process. Where we are in caLIBRAte, we are now in the middle of our work. We have selected the models. We are also developing new models. We are now doing user testing, like today, sensitivity analysis. And the next step will be to calibrate and improve the models and integrate them in the system of systems. Oh, the next slide, please. Okay. This is a list of the models we are testing. We are performing user testing on all those models. As you can see, the models cover all the full life cycle of a product, but in particular, workers' safety. And I think this almost concludes my presentation.